this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we are here for Tuesday's video learning acrylics. This week we are going to dip instead of use that monomer because I want to spare my mother that smell this week. Wipe that off. We are using 2 acrylics by the Nail Junkie Pinky and What's Poppin'. Pinky is this beautiful, beautiful pink acrylic. Look at the sparkle. Beautiful color. We're using that on 4 nails. We're using Pinky or What's Poppin' on the ring finger. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? These are a 2-in-1. They both say 2-in-1. Just so you can see it. Like I said, I've never dipped. This was my first time. I did do 3 nails off camera. But before I practiced and did these 3 nails, I panicked. I had contacted Girly Nail 66 because she's like the dipping queen. Told me to use base coat. So I was using Beauty base coat. I like this brand. I've got a couple of these. I'm using these. I'm like, okay, cool. So I followed her method. Did these 3 nails here, which I think are stunning. This is Pinky that I showed you. Beautiful, beautiful pink. So we're going to do this nail in Pinky and this nail in What's Poppin'. Don't forget about the giveaways, folks. We have 2 giveaways running at one time. Whatever the word is. We're going to have that. We're going to subscribe to my channel if you are in the U.S. Leave me a comment in the video saying I just subscribed, I'm in the U.S., bam, you're entered. That's all you gotta do. I'd love it if you shared. I have a posting on Instagram. You can screenshot and share this video. Then, giveaway number 2, having a brain fart. Giveaway number 2, if you are a prior subscriber, and you send somebody to my channel, you get entered into a giveaway for some Swarovski crystals that I'm waiting to come in the mail. Forgot to tell you though, a quick ADD moment. I'm having a lot of those lately, I'm sorry. I found my liquids. I would have looked a little bit further than I did. I did find my liquids. Here is a base and top 2-in-1 and my activator, which I'll be using these on these 2 nails I'm doing. These open and set up so don't knock nothing over. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's do Pinky first. We'll do this one first. So I'm gonna top coat the whole nail off camera, so out of frame I should say. So I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna dip right in and leave it there. Just for a brief moment. Just gonna leave it there. Tap, tap, tap. Now I'm probably gonna put 3 coats on because as you can see it is not opaque. Looks opaque here, but it's really not. Whoopsie. This is pretty though. This is really pretty. The Nail Junkie has some beautiful, beautiful acrylics. Anybody who's watching that has recently subscribed to my channel, you're not leaving comments, so, and I need you to be, in order to enter you into the giveaway. I need to know who you are, and that you're from the U.S. I mean, you can subscribe no matter where you are in the world. I'd greatly appreciate that to no end. But if you are in the U.S., then that way you get entered into the giveaway. That I would love. Would love, love, love it. I have a video that I'll be filming the video for this week's drawing. This is Tuesday's video. I'll put it up maybe Thursday or Friday. I'm gonna dip this nail into I can't talk. What's poppin'? I'm gonna pull pinky out, tap, tap, tap. And this is just so beautiful. I'm loving this as a dip. I really seriously am. Love, love, loving it. I forgot to file the nubbin off. Loving this as a dip. Gonna pull what's popping out. Tap, tap, tap. Oh, looky, looky, looky. My nails are hit, so please don't look at that. Please don't look at my chipping and peeling off nail polish. I need to do my nails. Get the base coat back. Make sure you put enough on so that your sidewalls are covered from cuticle to tip. And dip. And dip. And dip. That's 2 coats of what's poppin'. This is our 3rd and final coat of pinky. Oh, looky, looky, looky. Isn't that beautiful? I think that is just stunning. Pinky, pinky, pinky. You can check out the Nail Junkie Chica on Instagram. Oh, look at this. Tap this down a little bit. Tap it in. Tap, tap, tap. Facebook, the Nail Junkie, she's got her own group. You can check her out there. I put the activator on pinky here in a minute. Brush this off. Go in for coat number 3. You don't have to put as many coats on, depends on the opacity that you would like. I am a brand ambassador for the Nail Junkie and her acrylic system and her acrylics period. So if you are somebody that would like to check that out, I can help you do that. Just contact me through Instagram or leave me a comment in one of my videos. Tap, tap, tap. Put this one off to the side to cure again. Brush this one off one last and final time. Alright. Alright. This is beautiful. Well, this is the activator, step 2, that's being spilt all over the place here. Can't afford for it to because I don't have any more. And I know there's some in here because, you know, I can hear it when I shake it. But and I can dip it on my finger and it feels like there's some there. I feel like I'm babbling. Really sorry. Really sorry. Activator problems. Activator. I'm gonna try some activator over here. Wish I could just pour it on because know it's getting it, but I don't know. Like, to do this, I feel it. There's some wetness, but whatever. It is what it is, right? As long as it's getting on the nail, getting in the nooks and crannies so it can activate, cure itself. There's the point, right, folks? Sorry I'm babbling. Sorry. Okay, where's my other nail? Here we go. Now is when you file. Well, once he's set. I feel like I should do Girly's method with the base coat. Especially with how chunky this one is to encapsulate it. I think I'm gonna. This is really thick and chunky. Not thick, it's very bumpy. And I'm not sure that activator is sealing it sufficiently for me to file. So we're gonna pop this in the lamp. Give that a full cure. I think I'm gonna do this nail as well. Coat them thoroughly, folks. Pop them in the lamp. Well, back, I've got kind of a mess going here with some foil, some bling, a teddy bear. This is so beautiful. ADD moment going on, brain fart number 4. Isn't this stunning? This is what's popping. It'll be top coated in a minute. So I'm gonna come in here with the foil, get me a little piece. See if I can dab this on my finger just as easy as the other thing went. No, it's not working like that. But we got some foil on that way. See if I can do that down here. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Not at all what I wanted. Trying to break it up. So that's what I'm trying to do with the little foil pieces. Give it a little bit of accentuation. So I'm gonna pause, I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back because of time. Alrighty, we are back. I had to make sure the camera is going. I'm gonna top coat our nails with some Ijo Beauty top coat. So I can get this to work. I got 3 bottles of top coat and I can't get open. Brand new, never been used. Can't get them open. So, yeah. Try to get the pliers out and try that way. Human hands cannot open them. They've not been near the lamp. But, yeah. We are going to put some bling on. I'm going to put a teddy bear on the index nail. It's really super cute. You can find him on brcnailstipsxpieces.com. Whoops. Had a good healthy beat that time. Over my mat it went. So you get the bear. I can't remember how you get 2 for $1 something, $1.59 I think. So check out brcnailstipsxpieces.com. Trying to get a healthier bead here so I can feel like my top coat is being spread right. And then I'm out of frame. Terribly sorry. Trying to hurry because gotta put the bling on. Gotta put the bear on. Whoops. Just lost the bear. I'm gonna pause the lamp. Top coated bling applied, and here we go. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my teddy bear manicure slash kind of Valentine's. He's got a heart bling in his belly. And again, you can get him at brcnailstipsxpieces.com. Acrylic is from the nail junkie Chica. Please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all videos, giveaways. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.